Today I'm going to show you how to place a market order in MetaTrader 5. Alright, so you want to place a market order, and what we've got over here is a demo account. We're going to come down over here to trade. Once you've gotten onto trade, you'll see positions, and these are market orders. So what you want to do on the top right is you'll see a little page with a plus icon. Go ahead and tap on that. Alright, once you're here, you're going to go and first see at the top it says market execution. So what we want to do is when you tap on the sell or buy at the bottom, here is where your order will be placed exactly at the time and the price that is currently showing. If you're going to be using buy limits, sell limits, stop, sell, buy and sell stops, or buy and sell stop limits, you are going to basically set up a projected time for your position to open. But now we're using market execution. You'll see this is the buy price on the left hand side, the blue over here. You will also see on the right there is the red, that is the sell price. You can see that there is a slight difference, and that slight difference means that is directly from your broker. That is their commission. What we're going to do here, as you can see at the bottom, we can then say sell or buy. But what we want to do is we want to set a fraction of what we're going to be purchasing. So over here you can see it says 0.01, that's 1 pip. What we're going to do here essentially is we are going to change how much of one single share we are purchasing. So depending on what your account size is, you can change this, but there will be more detail on our channel with exactly how you should set this. But for now, I'm going to leave it at 0.01. This means you'll open up a very small position. Here, you will choose your stop loss, all right? So stop loss is the SL, and the stop loss is what you will set your, to when it will close automatically if it's in a loss. Your TP is take profit, and here you will set this according to what you want your order to stop or close at in a positive amount. So this will work if you are opening a buy position. Your take profit will be a higher number than current number that you're purchasing in at, and your stop loss will be lower. But if you are clicking on sell market, then you are then having to set your stop loss higher and your take profit lower. All right. So let's go ahead and quite simply, once you've set all of that up, you're going to go ahead and click on buy. You'll see now that it'll take a few seconds. Depending on your internet connection, it should be doing this immediately. But ultimately, you'll find it in over here under your positions. And quite simply, you can hold on any one of these positions and close it manually, or you can just let it ride out until your take profit or your stop loss is reached.